guys, it's Ariel here from Fix My Books, and today I'm going to show you how to edit your invoice in QuickBooks Online. So go to Settings, Custom Form Styles, and then click Edit. This will show up, and then you can edit it the way you want. So you can change the template, make it bold or friendly, add your logo and like move it around and change the size or change the placement, or you can try other colors like this one or pink if you like, fonts, etc. Here you can edit the content, so you can show or hide things and then edit the labels and width, so you can make things super small and make other things super big. It's up to you. And then here in the email, this is what it's going to say in the email when you send out your standard email. So when you send out the invoice for the first time, and then the reminder email, which is your reminder, hey, this is due in 3 days, or like this invoice is overdue, etc. One thing you can also do is, if you want to edit the content, you can actually show an account summary. But again, that's up to you if that's something you want to do. So you can just fiddle around with it so that it's custom to you and what you want your invoice to look like. So that's it. Thank you.